Hello students. So yesterday we have done up to we have started exercise 3.1 after the introduction, and we have done the basic addition. Okay, so we have done, I have told you some examples of 4 digit and 5 digit numbers along with regrouping or carry. Okay, so I have given you homework that you have to do question number up to 31 on this book only. That if you don't have any book, then you will do it later on, and till then you can do some sums from the book, okay, on your notebook. Okay, now let's continue with our next sum, that is 32. Okay, before starting the sum, okay, now write in column and add. Okay, this is a very simple way. It says write in column and add. That means you have to simply write these numbers in the column form as it is given in the row form, or vertically, that you have to write in column and add. Okay, simply just as you were doing in this above questions, you will write it like that and add. I'll show you how you will do it. Okay, simply just a very small one, and I'll give you a kick. We will not waste our time on this simple question. Okay, write in columns and add. Simply you just have to write question number 32. Okay, 5369 plus 178. So first of all write ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Okay, then or write all both the numbers and add. Okay, let's okay, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Simply you have to write like 5, 3, 6, 9 and 178. You have to add these numbers. Okay, 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. 1 will be carry. 6 plus 7, 13 plus 1, 14. 1 will be carry here also. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. And 5 over here. As there is nothing, we suppose it as a 0. Okay, so the answer will be 5547. Okay, just I have done here also, and you will write the answer separate also. Answer is equal to 5547. Okay, simple one. So from the book, as you can see, these all sums 32 to 39 are simple addition. Okay, and there is little bit difference in 38 and 39 sum, that you have to add these both numbers, three numbers, and you have to write the sum in words. Simply in words mean like number name. So you have to write, suppose if we have, if they ask to write the answer of this sum also in words, we will write like 5547 in the words. Okay, so as all the sums are of addition, they from 32 to 39, you can do any 5 sums from it. Okay, okay, do any do sum number 33, 34, 35 and 36. 33, 34, 35 and 36, 38 and 39. Okay, if you want to do others also, you can do for the practice. Okay, these are simple additions. Now our next topic is word problems in addition. Okay, so today we will start with the word problems of addition. Let's check out the first one. Okay, exercise 3.2. Okay, you will start each exercise from a new page. Okay, so here it is. The first one is, there are 4089 bags of wheat and 1896 bags of sugar in a store. So 2 points from this first line, that the number of bags of wheats are 4089 and number of bags of sugar are 1896. So now in second line, find the total number of bags in the store. So now we have to find out total number of bags. Okay, not particularly of not particularly of wheat or sugar. We have to find out the total number of bags in the store of both that means we have to what we have to do addition. Okay, we will add number of bags of wheat and number of bags of sugar, and then we will get our answer, that is total number of bags in the store. Okay, in the last line write the number sentence and the solution sentence. So at the end of the solution you will write down the number sentence and the solution sentence of the sum. Okay, let's just start with our first word problem of addition. Okay, simply number of bags of wheat, number of bags of sugar. So as the number of bags of wheat is 4089, that is 4089, and number of bags of sugar, that means they are 1896, that is 1896. Okay, now we have to find out the total number of bags. So total number of bags is equal to, we will add both these numbers, 4089 and 1896. So the answer will be 5985, that is 5985. Okay. Now at the last they have told us to write down the number sentence and the solution sentence also. So for that, the number sentence means that you have to add both the numbers, whatever you have done in the sum, that you have to add both the numbers, that is 4089 plus 1896, that is equal to 5985. That is our number sentence. And in the solution sentence, as you have also already written in class 3, that there are total 5985 bags in the store. Okay, so solution sentence you always used to write in class 3 also, simple one, and in the number sentence you have to show the calculation. Okay, just a quick. Okay, now after that you have to write these number sentence and solution sentence. Okay, moving to the next question. Question number 2. A factory produced 5385 cakes on Monday. That means a factory has produced how many cakes on Monday? That means 5385 and 3897 cakes on Tuesday. So from this line 2 points come out, that is cakes produced on Monday and cakes produced on Tuesday. So here we have number of cakes produced on Monday and Tuesday. Okay, the second line, how many cakes were produced in 2 days? So you have to tell that how many total cakes they have produced in 2 cakes. The factory have produced in 2 days, 2 days. That means if we, what will we do? Yes, we will do addition. If we add number of cakes produced on Monday and number of cakes produced on Tuesday, then we will get our answer, that is the total number of cakes produced on both days, that is Monday and Tuesday. Simple addition. Okay. Cakes produced on Monday, cakes produced on Monday, cakes produced on Tuesday. We have written here, so cakes produced on Monday is 5385, that is 5385. And the cakes produced on Tuesday, that is 3897, that is 3897. So we have to find out total cakes produced in 2 days. For that we will do addition. So if we add both the numbers 5385 and 3897, so what will be our answer? Yes, it will be 9282. 9282. Simple sum of addition. Okay, so here we have got the answer that total cakes produced in 2 days is 9282. Okay, after this, therefore, the 3 dots written here are the sign of therefore. Therefore, total 9282 cakes produced on Monday and Tuesday. This is a solution line, and if there is written in the question that you have to write the solution line or not to write the solution right, but you must make sure that you write the solution line at the end of every sentence, and it gives a grace to the question. Whenever you write the solution of any sum, at last you must write the answer clearly, that therefore total 9282 cakes produced on Monday and Tuesday. That means this is a solution line and you have to write it after every word problem in every chapter. Okay. So this is the solution of sum number 2. Moving to the next. Okay. A shopkeeper bought 4,583 nuts and 2,836 bowls. How many pieces did he buy in all? Write the number sentence and solution sentence. Yes, this sum is very easy, as like above 2 questions. This sum is also like them. So okay, you will do question number 3, 4, 5. Question number 3, 4 and 5 by yourself only. Question number 3, 4 and 5 by yourself only. Okay, this is your homework, that along with the above questions, 6 questions of addition and these 3 questions, that means total 9 questions you have to do in your fair copy, and make sure you write the statements, that means question of this word problems also. Okay, so write down the word problems, write down the statement of word problems, and after that you will do the solutions. Okay, so your homework for the today is that you have to do question number 3, 4 and 5 by yourself only. Clear? As you can see, these are the simple sums of addition that you were doing before also. Okay, we have done it like here also. Okay, I'll just read out fourth one also. There are 3,786 men, 2,983 women and 3,508 children in a village. Question number 4. What is the total population of the village? So here we have to add these 3 number of men, number of women, number of children in a village. Okay, and then we will get our total population. Same in the next question. There are 3,527 cows, 4,809 buffaloes and 1,283 other cattle in a village. How many total cattle are in that village? That means number of cows in the village, number of buffaloes in the village, number of other cattle in the village. Okay, so these 3 are the numbers, and at the last we will add both 3 of the numbers, and we will get total number of cattle in the village. Okay, as simple as above. Okay, do it in your fair copy on the new page. Do start new exercise with new page only. Write the solution. So write the question, and after that you will write the solution. Okay, do neatly. So okay, so So homework is question number 32, 33, 34, 35 and 36. Sorry, 33, 34, 35, 36 and 38 and 39 along with 3, 4 and 5 of 3.2. Okay. Good day. Good day. Take care.